Do you want to own a high-performance BMW M140i? With its premium upgrades and spotless interior and 470 brake horsepower, it really is a stunning car.
Tell them niggas bundle up. Why you tryna cuddle up? Bust it down and set you up. When you say you love.
And this one comes absolutely packed with features, with Oyster sport seats, its carbon interior trim, heated seats and mirrors, and much, much more.